So to all you other content creators that decided to stop going after him, all those content creators that decided, this ain't the right move, you might not be bright, but you was bright in that decision. You might not be so bright, but you was bright enough to knock it off because you see what's happening.
To think about the worst thing that could ever happen to him.
You are not tuned in to Blizzard King. What it be? Mr. Cold Shoulder. Sometimes we call him Uncle D. Realest on the internet. Talking ain't no holding back. Numbers don't reflect it, especially when you're talking black. Where you at? He ain't even ducking. This for all the men. Drop the link, pull right up. You can call on in. Other shows weak, they repeated what the Blizzard said. Late night fight when your lady say it's time for bed. You gon' take them boxes off, or she getting managed. Might as well tune in. Tell your baby keep her panties. This ain't even scripted content, it be organic. And music we be using, YouTube, they start to panic. Facts, get your mango, we up on the lingo. No cap, fitted brim hats, even wear them Kangos. Have it your way, wrong channel, that's a burger thing. Black man channel, Wonka D. Blizzard King, 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 Cold shoulder, you get the cold shoulder, you get the cold shoulder, you get the cold shoulder. Blizzard King.
Finito in the sun. Do you hear me? That's Finito in the sun. We're going to send that channel to the upper room. Everything. If you play chess, life is just like chess pieces, If you play chess, your life is everybody in your life is a piece. Everybody in your life is a piece, whether it's a pawn, king, queen, rook. These are pieces, and how you move these pieces determine the outcome of the game, right?